Not only have I managed to escape the confines of the workshop yet again, Life of Riley or what, I think so, but we've been invited to the Woodworkers Workshop Open Day up here in the far north of the country. Well, as far as I'm concerned, Worcestershire, Worcester, way past Plymouth, if you want to look it up on the map. Let's go and check it out. So come on in, let's take a look around and see what's on offer. So here we are in the shop, and we've got all sorts of everything on show. And at an event like this, you are encouraged to come in, have a look, pick it up, play with it, with no expectation to buy. It's a fantastic opportunity for anyone that just wants to get a bit of hands-on. Look, woodpecker. Miles Craft. Such a fantastic thing to have, not only in the UK, but in this part of the country. Golden opportunity. I think I might be walking away with a few bits and bobs myself. Huge amount of choice. This looks really, really nice. Little T-square. Complete with retractable supports. Like the look of that. And the squares we've already seen. Rulers.
Yeah, I did look at this very nice one.
Here's some intricate. This is a really good box if anybody's interested in making their own jigs. This is a fantastic starter kit. Miter square for your saw. The clean sweep system for your router table, that looks really good. As you know, I'm already a huge fan of intricate. Here's the Miles Craft stand. Now we're coming out into the machine shop. Look at this a minute. If I didn't already have a slider, I'd be really interested in this myself. Beautifully machined. Incredibly clean. I wish mine was that clean. And here's a machine I am really interested in. The G700 extractor. Gonna have a good chat with Peter about this. Router table. And the lift. I'm absolutely delighted with mine that I had from Peter. Superb bit of kit. That's a blade and a half. Look, bit of resawing planned for that one. Just some router table.
Do you want a receipt emailed and texted to you?
No, that could be fine.
No, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hell of a lot of choice.
Got somebody who wants to pay both away from the desk.
And bag products, I think we've all seen these online. These look really interesting. Like a foam approach to a hold down or a fingerboard.
Sorry.
High level version. And into yet another room.
Lovely, thank you.
Where we've got demo seconds and samples available. And again, an amazing choice. Look at that minute. Need two hands to pick that up. What a beaut.
That's it. Lovely, thank you. Do you want a receipt emailed or texted?
Email.
Email? Right, just come up with an email address. Which?
𝑨𝒐𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕𝒆
So it's not us that's got the email.
𝒐𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒔𝒕𝒆 router, awesome router.
Thank you very much.
And if we walk out of here, they've even got a marquee set up with demos by the man himself down the bottom. We'll pop in and have a look, shall we? And this is the demo tent. And as soon as you walk in, we get this. This is a black art as far as I'm concerned. Working with stuff that's spinning around, the material spinning instead of the tool.
Yeah, a lot easier, isn't it?
Well, that's experience and perspective, I think. At the moment, I've veered away from this completely, but you never know, at some point in the future.
Yeah.
And here's some of the products that he's already made.
Which one?
The finish on these is incredible.
Yes, good, thank you. I'm Peter's wife.
There's some turning tools.
You only come back and stand here and then I've got an audience.
No idea what you'd use them for. And here we've got the 𝑚𝒐𝒐𝒍𝒔 products. Huge array. Clamps, dowel jigs, joint jigs, push blocks. These are superb. I've got a couple of these. Absolutely brilliant.
Cheers, Dave. Dehumidifier. In my normal
Some drill guides. This looks hugely substantial. You've seen me use this in the workshop. That's superb.
I've got a little bit of surface just.
And I've looked at these on the website. These look really good and they feel really well made. Maybe a little purchase coming on there. And here we are at Peter's stand. Chisels, spoke shaves, planes, squares. This is the Verum range, Peter's own range. And the quality of these, I think, just speaks for themselves.
Perceived fine.
Perceived kind of quality, you know, more expensive it possibly is. Saying that, I used to take students down to an exhibition in London, a designer exhibition, and the guy down there was...
And these are the Melbourne Tool Company tools, and I've got to say these are amazingly impressive. The finish on that is superb, and they've even taken the edge off the side of the plane. These spoke shaves, look at these. Now, I really like the fact that we've got adjustment each side as well, so you can just dial it in perfectly. I think today's going to cost me some money. And if all of that's not enough, we've even got a supplier of some incredible samples here of, again, wood species that I've never come across before. I've seen wild mango on some websites, but never been close enough to touch it. This is amazing to be able to have this at a local show like this. Wild mango. Tanga tanga. Panga panga. Really? Beautiful, beautiful timbers. And yes, we had to make a purchase. You may see that on an upcoming vid. That caught my eye. Superb. And if you want to know the name of this company, they are called Dalman. DalmanUK.com. if you want to go and check them out. Absolutely superb, well worth a look. And indeed I did walk away with some goodies, some small purchases, and maybe a few more to come. I want to take this opportunity to thank Peter and his team for the effort that they've gone to set up an event like this, and it is a hell of an effort. It takes them a couple of days to get geared up for it and a couple of days to take it down. That's a huge amount of time and effort and investment that these people put into putting on an event like this, where we're invited to come along and browse and get all touchy-feely with anything we want to without any expectation to buy. I think it's a fantastic opportunity, and I also think that we owe it to our local suppliers to support them, because if we don't, they're going to disappear and we're going to complain that they've all gone. We're going to be left with the huge corporations feeding us whatever they want to make a profit. Make the effort, guys. Go along and see people like the Woodworkers Woodshop and give them your support. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Ta-ra.